gathered today at Victorian Nova Trust on our 25th day of May 2018, organized by Sianova Trust, having consulted amongst our membership and duly mandated by organizations, do hereby adopt and append our signatures to the following declaration. 1. We shall engage in a non-violent peaceful campaign throughout the election season. 2. We guarantee that no property or infrastructure will be damaged as a direct result of our campaigns. 3. We uphold the sanctity of life. No life shall be lost as a direct result of our political activity. 4. We shall observe political tolerance internally and externally throughout the election season. 5. As the vanguards of liberation struggle and democracy, we shall play our oversight to ensure that the generality of the youth membership adhere to the healthy democratic principles of political constituency. 6. We commit to respect the outcome of the election that shall be held in a free, fair, and credible manner, and at no point shall we react in a violent and unconstitutional manner. Violence is not our culture. Thank you.